Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tired of jumping between Google Docs, Notion, and Slides to put your ideas together? Meet Bolt.new, an all-in-one AI workspace that helps you write, brainstorm, and present ideas, all from one clean, distraction-free screen. Let's see how it's transforming productivity in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using Edge browser to test these prompts. First, let's see a brief introduction about this AI. What is Bolt.new? Bolt.new is your AI-powered thinking space. It's like Google Docs meets ChatGPT, built for writers, founders, marketers, and creatives. You can brainstorm ideas, write documents, build pitch decks, and even generate visuals, without ever leaving your flow. Let's talk about some key features. Unified workspace. Switch between documents, slides, and notes with a single click. No more juggling apps. AI-powered writing. Just give it a topic or a thought. Bolt will turn it into a full article, pitch, or summary. Live collaboration. Work with your team in real time. Everyone sees updates live, just like Google Docs. Instant visuals. Add AI-generated images to your ideas instantly. Perfect for making your slides pop. Now, let's take a look at Bolt.new in action with some prompt examples. Prompt 1. Generate code from prompt. Here I'm entering prompt as Create Working Login Page using React. Now, let's see what Bolt generates. Bolt gives you a complete working web page. It's like having a personalized chatbot sitting beside you. Prompt 2. Turn ideas into content. Here I'm typing prompt as Write a landing page copy for FitMind, an AI-powered mental fitness app. Let's check it out. Boom! Bolt generates a complete landing page script, headline, tagline, feature list, and a call to action. Ready to launch. Prompt 3. Create a pitch deck. Here I'm typing prompt as Create a 7-slide pitch deck for FitMind startup idea. Watch this. In seconds, Bolt gives you slide titles, descriptions, and even suggested visuals. Each slide flows like a real investor deck. Intro, problem, solution, market, product, team, ask. It's like having Notion, Docs, ChatGPT, and Canva, all rolled into one tab. Whether you're a founder, content creator, student, or startup team, Bolt.new is a serious upgrade for your workflow. Bolt.new offers free plan, with Pro giving you more AI tokens, premium visuals, and priority access. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next video.